Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Munyana Badru, your Go Tech Savvy virtual assistant, providing administrative and social media support to business owners and content creators globally in different time zones. This is the second time I'm buying a wireless microphone. The first time I bought a wireless microphone and it was a bit expensive. I tried to use the wireless microphone on my inbuilt-in camera, but it was not functioning with my Samsung phone. So what I did was just to return the product back to the seller. So this time around, I bought a cheaper wireless microphone and the same thing happened. It was not functioning with my inbuilt-in camera on my Samsung. So I had to find a solution. So if you're using an Android device or a Samsung device, a wireless microphone might not be compatible with your inbuilt-in camera. When I'm using this wireless microphone, you can hear the difference in the audio. After this video, I need your feedback on the quality of the audio. So here's what you're going to do before returning your wireless microphone, complaining to your seller how it's not functioning with your Android or with your Samsung phone. So number one, go to Google Play Store and download Open Camera. After installing Open Camera on your mobile phone, go to Settings, click on Video Settings, scroll down to Audio Source, then choose the external mic. So now plug your receiver into your charging port on your Android device. If your receiver is charged, it will flash red. Now get your wireless microphone, place the switch on key or off button, it will flash green. Now use the Open Camera to record your videos. You are going to hear that difference in recorded sound when using the wireless microphone on your device. So next time, before you returning your expensive wireless device to your seller, try these steps. That's if you use Android or Samsung phone. And if you have any questions or suggestions, do not hesitate to reach out to me. If you're new here, kindly subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye. Ramadan Mubarak.